Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to be taking some of the letters that we have already learned and we're going to put them together and we're going to build words out of those. Okay, so are you ready to get started? Let's look at our first letter. Do you remember what the name of this letter is? This letter is an S. Remember, Sammy the Snake is our Phonics character for this letter. Do you remember what sound Sammy makes? S. Very good. So we have a S for the beginning of our word. Let's look at our next letter. Do you remember this letter's name? It's an A. Remember, Owly the alligator is our Phonics character. Owly the alligator. Do you remember what sound A makes? Ah. Yeah, we're talking about that. There's two sounds A makes, but we're talking about the ah sound. Good. So we have S, ah, sa. Sa isn't a word yet, is it? No, we don't have a word named Sa. So we have to add another letter to it. Are you ready to go? Do you know what letter that is? That is our letter of the week. Remember, Timothy the Tiger is the Phonics letter for this one. He's our character. Do you know what sound T makes? T makes a t, t. So we have s, a, t, s, a, t. Now let's blend those together to make a word. Ready? Sat, sat. The word is sat, like I sat at my desk. Nice job. We're going to change just one letter and it is going to change the entire word. Remember, this is the letter M. Remember, Missy Mouse is our Phonics character. Missy Mouse says because she's munching on that cheese, remember? So we have at, at. Can you blend those with me? Ready? Mat, mat. Mat is our word we made for that. Very good. Now let me take these away. And we are going to write a couple of words. And we're going to see how they're the same and how they're different. We have at, mat, mat, and sat, sat. So we have mat and sat. Now look at these with me. The only thing we changed is the first letter. These are the same. Those two letters stay the same. So just by changing one letter, changing the M to an S, we have a whole new word with a whole new meaning. Mat and sat means two different things, doesn't it? Okay, let me erase that and we'll do another one. This time we're going to change the ending letter. So let's look at this first word. App, map. let's look at this next one. At, mat. So we have map and mat. They both start with the ma sound. Ma. The MA makes ma. But the ending is still foot. We have map and mat. So depending on what letter, if we change one letter of a word, depending on what type of change we can make a whole new word. Look at this next one. Whoops. This one we're going to be using the same letters, but they're going to be mixed up in a different order. So we have t, app, t, app, tap, and we have p, at, pat. So we have tap and we have pat. Now, what do you notice about these words? Do they both have the letter T? Let's see. Here's a letter T, and here's a letter T. They both have a T. Do they both have the letter A? The letter A is in the middle, right? They both have an A, and they both have a P. So if we change the order of the letters, if we put the P first or the T first, if we switch letters around, it can change the word. It gives us an entirely different word. Thank you for listening today, boys and girls, and I hope you're having a great day.